Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue in this video the part 2 of chapter 20 of Aircraft Maintenance Manual. This subject now, nacelle strut component clearances. This is the maintenance manual at the chapter 20, nacelle strut component clearances. Please stop this video and read this information. This is my photo, my channel, also other channel. This is the today date, 30 November. 3 items I hope to comply them. Here, this is the chapter called Standard Practices, Maintenance Practices. The subject, nacelle strut components, clearances. Here, maintenance practices. Sorry. Where is the strut? The nacelle strut or pylon. This is Airbus 320. This is the engine, and this is the wing. The connection between here and here, the engine mounts and cover this area with nacelle or pylon. Also here, 737 wing, the same thing. This is the engine and the wing, and this is nacelle or pylon. We need to check the strut tube clearances. Why all these checks here? You know that the engine has fuel pump, hydraulic pump, oil pump, air starter, exciters. How to get the fuel from the fuel tanks to the combustion chamber of the engine. It must go through tubes, fuel tubes or fuel lines. Also, the electric one. The electric, to get the combustion, so the exciters need wires to connect the current to the combustion chamber to ignition, make ignition. Okay, so tubes and wires to make the ignition in the combustion chamber. How to get to check these components? You need preparation. The preparations here, you must remove strut access doors, fairings, okay, access panels. All these you will find in the task in chapter 20, and this subject, the numbers to help you to get them the location from chapter 6. Chapter 6. Here, the same thing. After you go to the preparations and access panels, access doors, you can go to the tubes and wires here. So, examine the strut tube and wires for proper check. What about the clearances dimensions here? How many inch or how many decimal of inch? You will find them in the task in your aircraft chapter 20. This is specific according to your aircraft maintenance manual chapter 20. Do the check of clearances between the fuel lines or fuel tubes and adjacent support. Okay, clamps, nuts. Okay, the last wire, for wire clearances, you must go to another documents, maybe wire in the ground or another manuals for Boeing 737. Okay, so this is the last point. Occur here, vibration. Okay, the vibration, resonance, you must take care from that. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.